Introducing the stainless steel folding survival hook, a handy tool that lets you easily retrieve items from the ground, even when you're in high places. Remove broken screws with ease using this versatile screw extractor. Designed to adapt seamlessly to your drill, it provides a convenient solution for effortlessly unscrewing stubborn fragments. The Kraftall 22813 puller is the perfect tool for both mounting and dismounting internal or external circlips. With its range of diameter tips, it can easily accommodate various circlip sizes, making it a versatile option for your needs. The Capri Tools Flex Head 1/2 inches impact wrench, your go-to solution for those tight spaces and demanding situations where extra power is needed beyond the capabilities of a regular impact tool. With its flexible head design, it offers exceptional maneuverability while delivering the necessary strength to tackle even the toughest tasks. Experience hassle-free dismantling of screws in tight and confined spaces with this ingenious L-shaped tool. Its ergonomic design ensures effortless operation, making it a breeze to tackle those hard-to-reach screws with ease. Experience the ultimate efficiency in removing various bonded flooring types with the heavy-duty adjustable floor stripper from Wolf. In a matter of seconds, this remarkable tool effortlessly strips off the material, providing you with a swift and hassle-free flooring removal experience. Discover the power of effortless object manipulation with this compact airbag. Designed to lift, adjust, separate, protect, and hold objects of any kind, this remarkable tool operates without the need for any machinery. Enjoy the convenience and versatility it offers, making your tasks easier and more efficient than ever before. Don't miss out on this must-have adapter specifically designed for tightening rounded materials. Say goodbye to the hassle of dealing with rounded surfaces, as this adapter provides the perfect solution for securely tightening them with ease. The Bionic Wrench, the ultimate versatile and multifunctional tool. Its reversible jaws come equipped with serrated edges, making it the perfect companion for a wide range of tasks. With the Bionic Wrench by your side, you'll have the flexibility and grip you need to tackle any project with confidence. Upgrade your cutting game with the Impact Connect copper pipe cutter attachment. This innovative attachment cuts at a blazing 4 times faster rate, maximizing cutting speed potential. Say goodbye to the hassle of using hand tools and experience the efficiency and ease of this cutting-edge attachment. Say hello to a clean and mess-free drilling experience with this innovative dust solution. Designed to effectively capture and contain drilling dust, it keeps your workspace tidy and free from debris. Unlock peak performance while minimizing effort with this remarkable open-end wrench featuring an adjustable ratchet. Maximize efficiency and productivity as you effortlessly tackle various tasks with this high-performance tool. Effortlessly drive rods into the ground with remarkable speed and security using the Ground Rod Dog. This exceptional tool allows you to efficiently drive rods ranging from 3/8 to 3/4 inches, ensuring a reliable installation every time. With its convenient attachment to the majority of standard hammer drills, the Ground Rod Dog makes the entire process even easier, saving you time and effort. Simplify your marking process with this device featuring a convenient hook, making tasks easier and more effortless than ever before. Experience the convenience of effortless marking as you effortlessly hook the device onto surfaces, streamlining your marking tasks for maximum efficiency. Say goodbye to complicated marking methods and embrace the simplicity and ease provided by this innovative device. This fertilizer shovel is perfect for planting vegetables, fruits, and fertilizing fruit trees. It's a versatile tool for all your gardening needs. The water storage belt is designed to effortlessly store water pipes greater than 100 meters in length. With its adjustable width, you can customize it to suit your specific needs. Enjoy the convenience of a flexible and efficient water storage solution with this versatile belt. The KYBAJIAA.PY oscillating is a multi-tool specifically designed for sharpening devices. With its range of 15 to 3-inch diameter metal cutting discs, it provides a versatile solution for achieving optimal sharpness. Experience the convenience and efficiency of this multi-tool as you sharpen a variety of tools and devices with ease. Experience the ultimate in automotive lifting with the portable rack jack airbag jack. It offers the fastest and most convenient automobile lift available. Transport your KFP boards with confidence using this durable support system. With a carrying capacity of 75 kilograms, it offers robust support for your boards. The movable clamping parts are coated with a highly adhesive rubber, ensuring secure and stable transportation. Transforming 2 rolls of tape into double-sided tape is a breeze with Protect Double Taper. This handy tool is perfect for a wide range of masking needs, particularly for cabinet projects. It enables you to utilize any paint or plastic effectively for masking purposes. Simplify your masking process and achieve professional results with the convenience of Protect Double Taper. With the Way-Safe drop hitch, keeping track of your tongue weight is a breeze. This innovative hitch features a built-in gauge that displays the tongue weight, providing you with instant and accurate information. The Genesis Stainless steel trowel box set is a professional toolkit featuring 6 blades and an interchangeable handle, suitable for both left and right-handed users. For precise trimming around guardrail posts and similar obstacles, the Champion Wheel Trimmer is the perfect tool. This handy trimmer is designed to provide accurate and efficient trimming, allowing you to achieve a clean and polished look. Introducing the F6 Manual Folder by KYBAJIAA.PY, a precision portable tool designed for accurate thin sheet finishing and precise small folds. When it comes to lifting textured materials such as armor stone, the Grizzly is the ultimate performer. With an impressive maximum capacity of 6,000 lbs, it excels in handling heavy loads with ease. Count on the Grizzly to tackle your lifting needs and effortlessly handle even the most textured and challenging materials. Easily create uniform patterns of the same height among bricks with this specialized tool. Enhance your mobility and maneuverability with this type of forklift, designed to offer improved agility and greater maneuverability. The Universal Wrench, a versatile tool that effortlessly handles bolts of any size. No more searching for the right wrench for each job. This tool is all you need to tackle various tasks with ease. With the Universal Wrench in your toolbox, you'll have the perfect solution for handling bolts of any size at your fingertips. Thank you for watching Top Tech Tools. Remember to show your support by liking and subscribing to our channel for more captivating content like this.